Director of Urban Affairs Department E. Kharmalki today laid the foundation stone for an interlocking concrete block pavement to be utilized as parking space in front of the Nongpoh town shopping complex in Reboy district. The allocation of funds for the project amounts to an estimated Rs 10 lakh, sanctioned by the State Urban Affairs Department. In his address, Director E. Kharmalki commended the proactive stance of the Nongpoh Town Committee and emphasized that it was through their initiative that the plan to improve urban infrastructure is taking shape. Furthermore, he highlighted the department's ongoing efforts to enhance facilities within the town for the community's welfare.
Traditional way of ruling the people or governing the people. They come starting the car, and they come up with a urban, semi urban. Hirang urban menuju kuat, dan traditional konsepsia nasional dalam bertunggal menuju kebahagiaan akan kehidupan setajuni.
National law